function 8x times cosine of 11x.
Let us integrate the function 8x times cosine of 11x. See that, the function we have to integrate is a product of a trigonometric function and a polynomial function. The method appropriate in this case is the integration by parts. Let us recall the integration by parts method. The integral of u dv is equal to u times v, minus the integral of v du. In sum, we set u equal to 8x, and du equals 8 dx. And, dv equals to cosine of 11x dx, and v equals to the fraction 1 over 11 times sine of 11x. Therefore, the integral of 8x times cosine of 11x dx is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. When we replace u, v, and du by their corresponding values, we see that the integral of 8x times cosine of 11x dx is equal to the fraction 8x over 11 times sine of 11x minus the integral of the fraction 8 over 11 times sine of 11x dx. The integral is equal to the fraction 8x over 11 times sine of 11x, minus times the fraction, minus 8 over 121 times cosine of 11x, plus a constant c. Lastly, the integral of 8x times cosine of 11x dx is equal to the fraction 8x over 11 times sine of 11x, plus times the fraction 8 over 121 times cosine of 11x, plus a constant c.
Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus-related videos covering limits, derivatives, integration, and many other calculus topics.